Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm sure you'll agree we have an excellent lineup of speakers for the 38th Millionaire Asia Wealth Management and Investment Summit. We're covering a whole host of topics as well. And once again, some things that maybe you haven't come across before, something a little bit different. The first subject we'd like to talk about tonight is London. So I'd like to welcome onto the stage Mr. Paul Woodward, Associate Director of Atlas International.
Really, I just wanted to sort of make a case for London, why you might consider investing in London at the moment. It's the city that people always identify as wanting to live in and work in, above all others. The top place for foreign investment, foreign direct investment. We're moving into a more inflationary period, so people are considering real assets again, as opposed to cash being king. So, the projects I've got available for you, Bankside. It's a cultural quarter. It's a buzzing area, and it's a very exciting place to be. And Camberwell, this is a bit of a value play. It's an area, a sort of inner London village, I'd call it, to assist our clients. We have excellent contacts. We can look at commercial. We help you with your property finance, lettings and management, of course. We handle that for you. I think there are some compelling reasons to look at London. Thank you very much.
We'll continue with tonight's talks. Daniel Vesco is the CEO and founder of One Energy. But as soon as I heard this proposition, I said, I have to get you up at one of our summits. Thank you, Dan.
Good evening. Welcome to the world of oil and gas. What we do is we take over previously drilled wells, those that may have been drilled by some of the majors, in fact. But what we will find is a high percentage of success re-stimulating old wells and getting some level of production that's economical. There are some very sophisticated methods of getting oil that you didn't get when you drilled the well in the first place. And that's what we go for. So we create a value by our information doing what we do. We've been paying now to our earliest investors an annualized rate of 18% so far. Okay, well, thank you very much for your time, and enjoy the rest of your evening.
We do have one last speaker tonight, which is, again, a very, very interesting proposition. We always look at Millionaire Asia to bring you something a bit different, something unique, hopefully something a bit special for our members. So I'd like to introduce to the stage Mr. John Reed, who's going to talk to you a little bit about investing in art. And John is Director of Art Futures Group. Thank you.
What we actually do, Art Futures Group, we specialise in Chinese contemporary art for investment. We have a selection panel where we actually choose our artists from many different artists in China, from thousands of different artists, and we just get a handful of those artists who we deem to be the best investment potential. 2010, fantastic year for everyone involved in the art industry across the world. We're the art hub of Asia, as I say. The Chinese market is now the third largest in the world, and the centre of that Chinese market is Hong Kong, which is the largest for this area, for this region as well. We also offer a very, very strong storage facility that Christie's and Sotheby's use that's in Hong Kong. And also, we also help with the liquidity at the end of the day, so we have a sort of end-to-end service. We couldn't have been in a better position to buy investment art.
I was very happy to attend the 38th Millionaire Asia Summit and speak before a distinguished audience of potential investors and others that are interested in our particular company.
其实3位 speaker 呢平分秋色，因为3个完全不同的投资途径呢，都是我们耳目一新，令我们喜出望外。
It's my first time as an attendee here, and hugely enjoyable.
Feedback's been very, very good, actually. We've had a lot of people interested in what we do.
And listen to some fantastic and diverse investments.
It appealed to me because they tap into a high net worth audience.
Of course, everybody of us one way or the other, are property investors.
Always good to speak to new people, always good to meet high net worth individuals who are interested in what we're doing.
Judging by the response so far, it will have been money well spent.
I was very pleased by the audience and the quality of the audience.
Obviously a lot of passion about what we do and what we're bringing to Asia, and just been a really great event for us.
It was different. It was good.
因為咧同我 business 有關咧，就係 One Energy。
I think that this could really have a platform for any type of business, not just mine.
You can tell when clients come up and they show a real interest and they ask the right questions. As a subscriber to Millionaire Asia, they are the right sort of people for us.